If you're looking for a portable speaker that combines rugged outdoor readiness with surprisingly powerful sound, the Tronsmart Trip 2 delivers an experience that goes far beyond its compact size. Designed for adventurers, music lovers, and anyone who wants to take their favorite tunes anywhere, this speaker blends style, durability, and impressive audio performance in one lightweight package. At the heart of the Trip 2 is a 42mm full-range driver supported by dual passive radiators, delivering bass that feels deeper and more impactful than you'd expect from a speaker this small, up to 20% more bass compared to its predecessor. Tronsmart's patented Sound Pulse technology ensures the sound remains rich and detailed, whether you're relaxing indoors or playing music in the open air. With up to 20 hours of playtime on a single charge, the Trip 2 keeps the music going from sunrise to sunset. The IPX7 waterproof rating means it's not just splash resistant. It can handle heavy rain, poolside splashes, or even a quick dip in the water without skipping a beat. The Tronsmart Trip 2 is proof that big sound can come in a small, rugged, and stylish package. With impressive bass, long battery life, waterproof durability, and smart features, it's an ideal choice for anyone who wants reliable music wherever life takes them. Whether you're lounging at the beach, trekking up a mountain, or enjoying a backyard barbecue, the Trip 2 ensures your soundtrack never misses a beat.